Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'll be showing you how you can go completely private in LinkedIn. By doing this, no one will be able to see your activity, your profile, or anything related to you. Let me show you how you can enable that option. Once you are logged into your LinkedIn account, now you need to go to your profile. You can do this by clicking on this picture or clicking on me icon and now on view profile. I'm just going to click on this. Once you are in your profile page, on the top right corner, you can see there's an option for edit public and profile URL. Just click on this. And here on your right side, you can see there's a visibility option, your profile public's visibility. By default, this option is turned on. If you click on this green icon, it will now turn off. And here at the bottom, you can see there's a success notification. Now by doing this, your profile is now completely private. And that's how you can go completely private on your LinkedIn profile. If you have any questions, do let me know in the comment section below. If you like this video, make sure to leave thumbs up and also subscribe to the channel for more. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.